Biya Kamal kan war online TV channel ka jan gwasame te kon ka ler mi jidit mi be re wich ka South Sudan an ler ban linga jan gwasame a kwi kirma yadit kirma yadit ka kor gwase pai wajen ta jen re wich ka South Sudan ta jen jan chawo ka Africa Union Summit ke gwadul ka ray wich ki Ethiopia ajan ban linga jan gwasame gor jen o de kon madan le ro de kon linkel chana nyak men chawle wini mi ban je linkel ka jan le ramba mi jiram jidit ka nur online TV channel gor jen o jin de support ko de subscribe ka de jan nyak ba kan ko ken ka de comment de share de ja top chu ja pel ro jen o bi lak ano kajan lera me milat kona me chala do kirma yadit sharode rit gwajal e shawotin jenta jien chawre which ka Addis Ababa capital city of Ethiopia ka kwidul ka AU muluna Africa Union jenta jien chawo ka Addis Ababa ko be dola mo dola jen jogudu badek dien no dola jen jogudu badek dien me dol mishari ala ken wo bala re wi ka Addis Ababa kalat ka je ka kwi royni atila royni Afrika ci ka kwi mal ka dob dan de Afrika de nyam ka je ki ta dan de Afrika de chen ga je nyogare dol kana mo en dol jan dogur badak dien me men dol ka je re wi ka Addis Ababa o ba Africa Union ba je kuin kwerm jidit ndola mo ci kwar ngwan long ci ko tin la kwar Africa Union ci ka wore wi ka Addis Ababa ko ba dol mo ba jaw dol ko ba kwerm jidit ba ja kwany en Africa Union fonde men ji kana dol te ka kwar ti children chunko dong de kana kwar en Africa Union mo la EU no en gude cha kwanyan tama mi ci wur kana den kon ti la kwar ngor ko de kana Africa Union de kana rwach wa wutkel mirandi Djibouti jaram dana cha nokke jaram dana ci ne dia tedin chong ne alkaje wunu shali Mahmud Ali Yusuf Mahmud Ali jane wut Djibouti ka jaram dana cha kwan ko ba Africa Union ba jabot la chairman she wut shal ka real Odingo no real Odinga chaja wuch wut Kenya chaja dak ko ngwada dan en dolka dolomoten ci kirma yadi te won winami ko ba na mo ba jo aten kalune jok chaja lor kor ke vice president dung South Sudan ne Dr. Yang Machate Ndurgon Dr. Yang Machate Ndurgon jarame cha ban kwarka antama jaram danan ci kirma yadi chaja lor kalune jok gwadul kana mo ka Addis Ababa Ethiopia ban lerme ban je link ka tok English ko gor kono de kono link ka do magwa President Kiir is back in Juba after attending Africa Union Summit. President Salva Kiir Mayardit has returned to Juba after participating at the 38th ordinary session of the Africa Union Summit in Addis Ababa, at which the Djibouti Foreign Minister was elected chairman of the Africa Union Commission. Mahmoud Ali Yusuf defeated Raila Odinga, a former Prime Minister of Kenya, and Richard Radramadrato, an ex-foreign minister of Madagascar, in a vote at the Africa Union Summit in Addis Ababa, the Ethiopian capital. The Africa Union has 55 members state. 55 members states. President or head of government pick the commission leaders, who is effectively the chief executive of the Addis Ababa-based secretariat running the Africa Union. Upon the arrival of President Salva Kiir Mayardit, the Minister of Presidential Affairs, Ambassador Chol Mawut Ajongo, said the summit addressed the conflict in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Sudan with a call for the new chairperson to prioritize resolving these issues. While in Addis Ababa, President Kiir reportedly held several sideline meetings with his counterpart from Tanzania, South Africa, and others to discuss a strengthening bilateral relation between South Sudan and the respective nations.